In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11 in just 5 minutes. First, let's navigate to the Microsoft Store on your computer. To do this, click on the Start button, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and type Microsoft Store into the search bar. Once the app appears in the search results, go ahead and select it to open. Now that we've accessed the Microsoft Store, we'll use its search functionality to find Adobe Photoshop Express. Locate the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window and type in Adobe Photoshop Express. Once you've entered it, hit Enter or click the search icon. This will display a list of search results. Look through them and click on Adobe Photoshop Express to go to the app's page. On the app's page, you should see a button labeled Get. Clicking this button will start the free download and installation process of Adobe Photoshop Express. This part may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, so feel free to stretch or grab a quick drink while the app downloads and installs. Once the download and installation are finished, there are two simple ways to open the app. One option is to click the Open button that will appear on the same page in the Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can find Adobe Photoshop Express in your Start menu, listed under All Apps. When you first launch the app, you'll need to sign in with an Adobe ID. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials to log in. If not, don't worry. You can easily sign up for a free Adobe account directly from the app. Having an account not only gives you access to Photoshop Express, but also other exciting Adobe services you might explore later. After you've successfully signed in, you're all set to start using Adobe Photoshop Express. The app will prompt you to select a photo to begin editing. Whether you're touching up a quick snapshot or diving into a more detailed project, Adobe Photoshop Express offers a variety of tools to help you enhance your images. And there you have it. A simple and straightforward method for installing Adobe Photoshop Express on Windows 11. With this powerful app at your fingertips, you're now ready to transform your photos into stunning works of art. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!